butter and jelly sandwiches. So, today's episode of Cooking with Collin is going to be a very serious one where we learn how to make peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you need peanut butter. I need to get new peanut butter. Let's go do it, guys. Queso Maldado. So let's get some peanut butter. Just all hail. Natural Jif Creamy. Oh wait, is there crunchy?
Customer service needed in the baby department.
There's creamy. There's creamy. There's creamy. How do I take this?
Baby department.
Baby department. All right, let's buy it. I got Jif Creamy Peanut Butter! I just went all the way to Walgreens for that, and I'm tired now. And my eye's infected with peanut butter. Let's get the jelly, the second most important part. Make sure you get your Wegmans Concord Grape Jelly. I would get Jif, which is the incorrect pronunciation of Jif. If you say otherwise, I swear, if you say Jif, which is one of these things, is pronounced Jif, that's what I think of you. That's what I think of you. So for my peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I like to grab 4. Also, to spread these two on the bread, you need some knife! Watch out, kids. Don't play with knives. So now we're going to switch to a brand new view called... It's supposed to switch at that part. If it doesn't switch, Alright, so now that you've got your bread and your knife and your peanut butter and your jelly, my peanut butter that I went all the way to Walgreens, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to, nice little glob of that there, you know, and then you glob the glob.
I am the glob gab galab.
I don't know what my camera's seeing because I can't see it because I'm a top-down view. And now you're done with the peanut butter, which is very cool. So make sure you tie up the all-natural Jif Creamy. Now this is a bit harder to get on because I put it. So this one you just want to blip bloop blip bloop blip bloop. And once you're done with your jelly, you do that. Now you got your things. Put these in the refrigerator so that you can use them later. Unless you're a maniac and you use the entire thing in one go. So now you've got your 2 peanut butter jelly sandwiches. So you've got your stuff now. Very cool. I'm adding a twist. See that right there? That's a microwave.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
What you're gonna do with this is you're gonna... Now you're gonna set it to 1 minute. Nice. So now you've completed your sandwiches. The only reason I added that last bit in is because it has to be cooking with. Fun fact, don't do that. Now my sandwich is all mushy. I have a fix for that. Put it in the freezer. Collin. Make sure you also close that. Ooh, you should probably feed your cats. Grab your bowl. Grab your premium cat food. And just... And there you go. And now you've got your cat food. Mama McToot's home. As we wait for my mistake to freeze, let's go on over to my brand new couch. So today, we went to the store and we got a new couch, and it's very cool. She put a pillow there. We got these pillows today. We got this couch today. We ordered the couch today, and it was delivered today. And it took like 500 minutes. We had to take off that door and then realize that we can't fit it through there. So we had to go through that door, and we had to open that door up and then take off the hinges of that door and the other door. You saw a quick cameo of my mother, and we got a new couch! Whoa! Crazy! Why is there beeping outside? Poopy ding dong, yeah.
That was a ding dong?
Yeah! Thanks, Mom, for shouting out the truth. Oh, it's so comfortable on this couch. Too bad you can't be on it. That was mean. I apologize. This is our Christmas tree. You've seen it in other videos, and for some reason this part is off. Yo! Is that Calvin? Calvin! Dang. That's fire. Alright, let's go back. Let's get the peanut butter and jelly out. Let's get the... It's already out. Alright, that's nice. Well, I'm not exactly sure how I got... how this... Just... It's normal. I'm gonna take a bite of this. Delicious! Oh, what am I doing? This whole episode. I wasn't even wearing my brand new chef hat. Thank you so much, John. This is fire. I cooked without this on. I'm gonna do more cooking in this episode. This is a crazy bonanza episode. It is wacky. I have a Dunder Mifflin cup. We are going to be making some hot cocoa. Fire! Let's get our spoons out, boys, and let's fill this with milk. I like using milk for Delectable's premium hot cocoa from Melaleuca. Link is in the description notes now. So, get some milk. Now, the important thing about milk is you need to put it in the cup. That's literally all you have to do. Beautiful. Isn't art just amazing?
Because
once you do it, 3 minutes, it explodes. God damn! Look what I've done to myself. What have I done? Bada wham bam babushka. You're done. Now you just gotta wait for it to cook. You're gonna want to use 2 tablespoons of the mix. Did you hear that, guys? It's finished! Crazy, guys. Let's go pick. I don't know. They can be rounded too, they don't have to be flat. Unlike the baking episode with cookies. My second most watched video. Nice! Now that you're finished, you can put everything away, clean up your mess, and whoop-ow! It's that easy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching Cooking with Collin. I know I'm wearing this all of a sudden, but it's whatever, bro.